Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about recovering deleted messages or chats on Instagram, so let's get right into it. Now, I'm pretty sad to say, and I'm pretty disappointed that there is no way to recover your deleted chats and messages. That simply does not exist, not built into Instagram, and of course other third-party apps are not able to do so. Instagram really seriously takes their privacy, and if somebody deleted their chats, those chats are gone for good. Now, if you deleted some content, for example, if you deleted some posts or stories, anything from your archive, you can very easily recover that. You have a 30-day period to come up with a reason to get it back, and of course to actually restore it. However, that is simply not the case with chats. When it comes to chats, they are permanently deleted and permanently gone, and there is simply no way to restore it, and there, as far as I know, won't be ever. So that is pretty much it. Again, sorry that I couldn't give you a solution, but it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.